Welcome to our show now. This is dust recovery system. It fixed to the dust storage unit and it fixed to the torch. So it works very powerfully. Let me show something about this one. I'm taking the dust here. It will be very powerful. So we fixed two powerful wheels here. So these wheels never damage the surface of the pole. So we fixed another thing here to adjust torch heat system. The ergonomy of torch heat system is very close operator. Operator will be set here. So another addition here, 3-axis separate controlling. This is for x-axis, this is for y-axis, this is for z-axis. Additionally, we put full speed on off button. That means welding speed. If we run the machine, this is welding speed. This is full speed, both back and front. Additionally, all axes can be controlled by completely. And on program, we put here welding speed. This is 100%. This is 13. This is welding speed. And one piece is process time 277 seconds. It can be seen here. And another changing here mechanically, this unit come to 20 centimeters to start welding at the zero. So at the back we put high IP motor with separate original cooling system.